In this video, I'm going to show you how to get investing guidance in Origin Financial. Let's get started. First, you can use the AI financial advisor called Sidekick. This is built directly into the app and lets you ask simple questions like whether your portfolio is too risky, how to improve your investments, or what your current asset allocation looks like. Sidekick analyzes your linked accounts in real time, including brokerage, retirement, and cash balances. It then gives clear insights on your risk level, performance, and possible adjustments like rebalancing or changing contributions based on your goals. If you want more in-depth advice, you can also connect with a human financial planner. Just go to the Financial Planner tab, browse available certified financial planners, and book a live video session. Some users may already have sessions included through their employer, while others can book them directly. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.